Let us start graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, for exam point of view, this graph is not important, but in one liner means objective, it will ask maybe. See here, cumulative frequency distributions are of two types. Please be alive. Cumulative frequency distributions are of two types, less than and more than type. First we start with less than. Less than something. Cumulative frequency curve. It is known as cumulative frequency curve, or it is also known as ogive. Remember, pronunciation is ogive because the real word is OJEEV. Ogive. Okay, in your textbook also it is given that the pronunciation is ogive. Don't say ogive or ogive. This is the wrong pronunciation. See here. So less than frequency curve, which is also known as ogive. If less than curve you want to draw, first on x-axis plot upper limit of the given class, and on the y-axis plot cumulative frequency because it is cumulative frequency curve. Okay, if there is less than, use upper limit. Remember this opposite thing, less than something curve, that means upper limit on the x-axis. After that, if you plot the upper limit and cumulative frequency curve, then your graph will be just like this, SC. And more than something cumulative frequency curve, which is also known as ogive, then you have to plot lower limit on x-axis and CFI on y-axis. Okay, the graph will be just like this, inverted SC. Now remember one thing, that the question or the class interval should be in continuous frequency distribution form. So classes should be given in continuous frequency distribution form. If it is not given, you have to convert it into continuous way. Means subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 in upper limit. Okay. Now from this, can you derive median? So yes, from the graph we can derive median also. As for example, in the question, first we find out median class from total number of frequencies, that is n. N by 2th observation, that is called your median class. Suppose the total number of frequencies is 100, then n by 2th means 100 divided by 2th means 58th observation. So in cumulative frequency, suppose this is 58th observation, then draw the parallel to x-axis and then draw the perpendicular on x-axis. This gives you median. This is what? Median. Same manner here also, suppose 50 is here, then you can draw parallel line to x-axis and then perpendicular on x-axis, which gives you median. If you draw both the graph on same coordinate axis, same graph paper, then it will just like this. Less than type, more than type. Okay, this is CFI, this is limits, boundary points. Okay, this intersection point. From this intersection point, if you draw perpendicular on x-axis, then this gives you median. Okay, so in this way we can find median from this cumulative frequency curve. Now we start exercise 14.4, graph of this cumulative frequency curve. See, page number 293, exercise 14.4, question number 1. Following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency distribution and then draw its OG. The question is daily income in rupees. Exercise 14.4, question number 1. Daily income in rupees. 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and up to 200, 180 to 200. Frequencies 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Total 50 workers are given, so N is given 50. Now the question is what? Convert the distribution to a less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so first we convert into less than type. Less than dash. Okay, here we write less than 120. This is the symbol of less than. Less than 100 is 0. Less than 100 is 0. So don't consider it. Less than 120. Less than 140. Less than 160. Less than 180. Less than 200. As I told you that whenever there is a less than, you have to see upper limit. So here I see upper limit 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. And now cumulative frequency of this. See, less than 120, think. Less than 120, according to our question, 120 to 100 here, less than way. So total frequency is 12. Less than 140, 140 3 ochu, abdu means 14 and 12 means 12 plus 14, 26. Less than 160, 160 3 less abdu means this and this means 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay. Now the second question is what? Draw its OG. To draw OG of less than type, you have to take upper limit on x-axis and CFI on y-axis. Right? See, upper limit 120, 140. So I write here 120 at 1 centimeter distance, 140, 160, 180, 200. Right? Cumulative frequency 50 up to. So I should take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See, here it is 0. 0 to 10, the gap is of 10, then again 10, again 10, 10, 10, so on. Here the gap is of 120, but here the gap is only 20. So you should draw crick. You have learned in 9th standard. Crick or synchronization sign. Now plot 120 to 12. 120. Here it is 10, then 11, then 12. Approx. 140 to 26. 140 to 20. Exactly at the middle, 25 here, 25, and one more, that is called 26. 160 to 34, 160, 35, exactly at the middle, and one more, that is called 36. Sorry, 34 it is there. So 35 and less one. 34. 180 to 40, 180 to 40, and 200 to 50. Okay. Now you have to draw with free hand, means smooth curve. Don't join with scale. Up to 0. Right? Is it okay? Show the scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 20, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 CFI, your upper limit UL. So this is the ogive of less than time, right? You can find median from this 50th observation. It is not asked in your question, but I tell you 50th observation, n by 2 means 25th observation. 25th observation is here. Draw the parallel which intersect here, and then draw perpendicular on x-axis, which gives you median for the given data. For this data you can find it. Okay, you can find by graph also, you can find by formula method also. So copy it. We will start number 2 after that.